How to change your profile picture on Clapper app. Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to do this. Let's do it. Just go directly, open your Clapper app. After opening your Clapper app, you just have to go directly and click on your profile. So right now click on edit profile. You'll find right now your profile picture. Click change photo, take a photo for example, and I will right now just take photo and click OK then, and after this you have to choose the size. Just click here save, and that's all guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.